Multiple states in the northern United States are currently experiencing hazardous air quality conditions caused by ongoing wildfires in Canada. Smoke plumes originating from the fires in Halifax, Nova Scotia, have drifted over New York City and the surrounding tri-state area, resulting in a decline in air quality, as confirmed by the National Weather Service. On Tuesday, patchy low-level smoke began to spread, and it is expected to persist and expand across the region on Wednesday, creating a hazy atmosphere that will limit sunlight. The smell of smoke may also be noticeable in certain areas. The jet stream, a fast-moving air current at an altitude of approximately 30,000 feet, is carrying the smoke from Nova Scotia through New England and further south in the United States. The New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection has issued a code orange air quality alert for several counties, indicating unhealthy levels of air pollution. This alert will remain in effect until Wednesday night. At-risk populations, including young children, the elderly, and individuals with respiratory or cardiovascular conditions, are advised to avoid outdoor activities until Wednesday, according to the advisory. The impact of the smoke extends to other northern states such as Rhode Island, Maine, Vermont, and Connecticut, with predictions that it will reach as far south as Washington, D.C. The Associated Press reported that over 16,000 people have evacuated the area surrounding Halifax since the emergence of hotspots on Sunday near Upper Tantalon, a suburban community outside of Halifax. These uncontrolled fires have caused significant damage to more than 200 homes and other structures, as confirmed by fire officials. The weather conditions are anticipated to remain hot and dry on Wednesday, with no rainfall expected until at least Friday. To prevent the risk of reignition in evacuated neighborhoods due to strong winds, travel and activities in wooded areas have been prohibited.